Hello everyone! In today's video lesson, we will be learning the cell structure and its functions. In our lesson 1, you have learned about the cell theory and the discoveries made by the scientists. In this topic, you will learn on the cell structure and functions that carry out basic life processes. All living organisms are made up of one or more cells. The cells are the building blocks of life, just as atoms are the basic building blocks of all matter. Each cell contains materials that carry out basic life processes. Cell structures can only be observed under high magnification electron microscope and are separated internally into numerous membranous compartments called organelles or little organs. These organelles perform a variety of functions like productions of proteins, storage, and also harvesting energy, and also repairing cell parts, digestion of substances, and maintaining the shape and structure of the cell. So in this lesson, you will describe the structure and functions of major subcellular organelles. This time, we will be learning the cell structure and functions. First is the cell membrane. It separates cell from external environment, controls passage of organic molecules, ions, water, oxygen, and wastes into and out of the cell. Cytoplasm. It provides structure to the cell. It also serves as site of many metabolic reactions and a medium in which organelles are found. Nucleolus is the location of DNA. Nucleus, cell organelle that houses DNA and directs synthesis of ribosomes and proteins. Ribosomes is for synthesizing proteins, and it also decodes the message in the formation of peptide ions. Mitochondria is an important cofactor of many enzymes, ATP production, and for cellular respiration to process. Peroxisms oxidizes and break down fatty acids, amino acids, and detoxifies poisons. Vesicles and vacuoles serves as storage and transport, as well as the digestive function in plant cells. Centrosome, unspecified role in cell division in animal cells, organizing center of microtubules in animal cells. Lysosomes, digestion of macromolecules, recycling or worn out organelles. Chloroplast, for the process of photosynthesis. Endoplasmic reticulum, modifies proteins and synthesizes lipids. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. First is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which is known for stocking the lipids and proteins, and it is not bounded by ribosomes. Whereas the rough endoplasmic reticulum is bounded by the ribosomes and also store proteins. Golgi apparatus modifies, sorts, tags, packages, and distributes lipids and proteins. Cytoskeleton maintains cell shape, secure organelles on specific positions, allows cytoplasms and vesicles to move within the cell. It also enables unicellular organisms to move independently. Flagella is for cellular locomotions, and there are types and examples of flagella. First is monotrichous. Is a singular polar flagellum and an example of Vibrio cholerae. Amphitrichous, single flagellum in both sides, and an example of that is the alkali gens Faecalis. Lophotrichous, tufts of flagella at one or both sides. An example of that is the Spirillum. Peritrichous, numerous flagella all over the bacterial body. Cilia is a cellular locomotion, movement of particles along extracellular surface of plasma membrane, and filtration. So what is the difference between a plant cell and an animal cell features? In terms of cell shape, plant cell is rectangular or fixed shape, while animal cell is round and irregular shape. In terms of cell wall, plant cell also possesses cell wall which is present and is formed of cellulose, while animal cell do not have. The cell membrane is also present in plant cell and it is covered by the cell wall. It is also present in animal cell. Nucleus, plant cell and animal cell possesses. In terms of vacuole, plant cell have a large central vacuole taking up 90% of the cell volume. In animal cell, it made up one or more small vacuoles. Plastids, both plant cell and animal cell do have. In terms of chloroplast, plant cell do have and make their own food, while animal cell do not have. Endoplasmic reticulum are both can be found in plant and animal cell. Ribosomes is also present in plant and animal cell. And lastly, mitochondria, which is both present in the two types of cell. I hope that you learned something in my video lesson for today. See you in my next discussion.